Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in the today's session guys, we will just try to explain about what is the exact connectivity between interface and inheritance. Okay, so when you go for the interview guys, in some people minds there is a confusion that when you go for the extend keyword, okay, when you go for the implements keyword, okay. So in the today's session I just try to explain, okay, with some example guys, okay. So just go for the session, okay. So in the next slide only I just, yeah. So we know that from class to class guys, okay. So suppose we have some classes, okay, one parent class and one child class, okay. So I want to inherit some property from the child, from the parent to child, okay. So you need to go for the extend keyword guys, okay. Here we go for the extend because there are two classes, okay. We cannot go for the implement keyword, okay. So here in the class to class guys, we have to go for the extend, okay. So in the next, the same things guys, when there are two interfaces, okay, one child interface and one parent interface, okay, and the child only try to implement some abstract method or unimplemented methods. Here also we go for the action keyword guys, okay. You just don't tell for the implements, okay. From the interface to interface also we can go for the same extend keywords, okay guys, clear? Okay, the last one is the class to interface, okay. Here only go for the implements keyword, okay, because there is one class is there, and there is one interface, okay. So to implement the abstract method guys, we only go for the implements, not for the extend, okay. Here only go for the implements, okay. So in the next slide guys, I just go for one example, okay. So I just here I give an example of the collection framework guys, okay, because here only there is a proper example, okay. So you haven't if you have no idea about the collection framework guys, in my previous video only I have made the proper clarification on the all collection interface, okay. What are the specific class, okay, and interface is there. So just I just request you to just go to my that particular video only, okay. So for this here, yeah, you can see there are some interface and classes, okay. And here only I just here the indication marks are there, okay. So the dotted line is indicating the implements and the continuous arrow is extend, okay. So here you can see there are in the starting only there is the collection interface is here, okay, and also the child interface, okay. So here you can see the continuous arrow is there, okay. So it denoted the extend, okay, which I discussed in the previous slide, okay. And you can see the dotted line also here, okay. So here if we have the class and try to like implement some abstract method here, so you go for the implements, okay. Okay guys, you can see. And now here you can see that there are two interface, dq and q. So here also it's go for the extend, not the implements, okay. In the q2 collection also guys, it's go for the extend keywords, okay. So here also we can go that there is one class array dq, and here dq is there, okay. So it's go for the action guys, okay. Array list, linked list, vector, stacks, all like that properly it's go for the like what implements keyword, okay. Because from class to interface guys, we go for the implements only, okay. So this is the one like proper example guys, okay. So I have if you go for details like what is class interface, what are the proper example guys, okay. So I have already explained my in the my previous video guys, okay. Just go for it guys, okay. So I have already there is a channel guys that I have already explained the from the starting java guys, okay, from the basic java, okay. Class, objects, interface, what are the proper examples are there, method overloading, overriding, okay. Then the like your proper like your constructor here, okay. So I have already explained guys the static keywords is there, okay. And if you go for the automation java guys, okay. So I have briefly explained about the Selenium WebDriver here, okay, with test ng framework guys, okay. And also in my previous video I have like mentioned 30 interview questions guys, most important interview question for Java Selenium, okay. Believe me guys, this from this the 30 questions guys, most from the 80 to 90% found, okay. What are the like your question and answer you will definitely found on your interview, then you go for the the next one in the future, guys. Okay, so just go for all this particular video, guys. Okay, and do subscribe and like the channel, guys. If you are new to the channel, okay, I just request you to subscribe for the new updated video. Okay, so in the future also I just definitely go for the updated video. Okay, so till now, guys, just learn from your side. Okay, if you have any issue, you can just comment me on my videos. I definitely try to solve it. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for the watching.